My name is Zoran Ramčić, ESVS Academia Aortic Lead, and I'm not hosting. I'm in his institution in Belgrade. Igor Končar, who is the chair of Academia. Igor, what we are doing new? What is new on the horizon in the Academia?
What we actually decided to organize in the future is something that we call fellowship, aortic, especially Aortic Fellowship. Fellowship, usually people think that is just like visiting another hospital and staying there. We couldn't find any better word for this, but this is not what we are organizing. Aortic Fellowship of the ESVS considered three things. First is visiting 7 ESVS workshops face-to-face in different cities. The second is attending online courses. And third is visiting a high-volume aortic center for 2 weeks. Application will open in May until June. We will select participants, and Aortic Fellowship will start after Krakow. It will last 2 years.
You said 7 different workshops. Is that defined? Is that obligatory workshops? Or how do you see that?
Yes, as you know, we provide a lot of aortic workshops, and there will be a much bigger offer. So there will be 2 things to choose. One is to choose between basic and advanced module. So you, based on your experience, based on your previous work, you choose, would you like to attend more basic part of this Aortic Fellowship or more advanced? If you choose basic module, these 7 would be 3 basic and 3 or 4 moderate courses. If you choose advanced, it will be 1 basic, 3 moderate, 3 advanced courses. So we try to cover the whole actually path of the aortic knowledge.
And I'm really grateful that we as members, that we are offering you that, and also that our members have opportunity to join to the workshop. So thank you very much. Thank you all.
Zoran.
Thanks.
Thank you.